Okay, number two is get an online review. Google My Business, Houzz, Facebook. And the best online review will come with an image. So when somebody posts to Google My Business, you can also attach an image to it. So have them take a picture of one part of their project and post it there. Same thing when it goes on your website. So there's website widgets that you can pull your reviews off of Google My Business, off of Facebook. I think Houzz has something similar as well. Yeah. So you can show then, here's the client, here's the name, and here's a picture of the project. That is the second best type of review. And then the third would be a written testimonial. A written testimonial without a picture. That's the third best. It's also the least effective because right away a prospective client looks at that and go, well, did you make that up? Who's that Diana person? Is she real? Did she really say that? Any thoughts on that, Diana?
Yeah, that's interesting to just have that list. I think it's very powerful to just have it on your desk and just check all those things to make sure and make it a habit. I think that makes I don't know, I think here is the secret, to just do it all the time, right?
That's right. Yep. And we will talk about that here in a little bit about consistency. So I guess the takeaway here is when you're asking for a referral, don't ask first for them to give you something. Ask for and that it's in the form of a referral, but first ask for their opinion. How did we do? I really value your opinion. Where could we improve? That sort of thing. And then when they say nice things about you, just ask them, would you be willing to share that with one of our future clients? So that's how you start the process here.